yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start here with the Dove. Of course, they are $7, and then they're on promotion this week for when you buy two, you'll get back a $4 in register rewards. We do have a $7 digital coupon. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up these two. Now, in the past for me, I've had issues with the Unilever products where the coupons won't come off two different items, so I'm picking up two of the same. So I'm gonna grab these here, and be sure to submit your receipt to Fetch so you can get some extra Fetch points. The men are included as well as the women's. All right, guys, so I'm also still working towards my spend boosters. Looky. Oh, it's not even a coupon. I was so excited. It's not a coupon. Anyways, but wanted to do, I'm gonna be looking into doing, I don't know if I'm gonna grab it in this transaction yet, but I'm definitely gonna be doing the Tresemme. They are 2 for $12. They've been on the sale now for the whole month, and then when you spend $30, you're gonna get back $10 in register rewards. Last week we did receive a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and then this week we received a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. However, I already know those coupons are not gonna work and come off together. There are a couple of options. You can submit back to the coupons.com app if you have not redeemed for that, the Shop Medium app, Alexa app. So feel free to submit back wherever you can if you didn't receive, if that $4 or the $5 didn't come off. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna grab, and included in this deal are the Suave Kids, which I'm gonna go ahead and grab. They are $4.99, and then they were included. There is no coupons for this Suave Kids. You can also pick up the Axe, and you can also pick up the Dove products as well. And I think there are some Fetch rebates for these Dove product here. And you can also do the women's Dove, which we do have a 3 off of 2 paper inserts as well as digital coupons. So I'm gonna put my deal together and I'll show you guys what I end up grabbing. All right, guys, so this is what I'm ending up grabbing. So I'm gonna grab 5 of the Tresemme, so that'll take me to $30 on the dot. So because I'm using 2 of the same digital coupons, I'm thinking only one of them is gonna come off. So I'm grabbing 3 of the same items, so 3 of the same, so the 5 off of 3 hopefully would attach to these 3, and then I'm grabbing 2 of these same items, so hoping that the 4 off of 2 would attach to these. But buying all of these, hopefully we get $9 of coupons coming off, and then I'll get back the $10 in register rewards. And since Tresemme is part of the Fetch, you can actually submit your receipt back to get some extra points there as well. Oh, I was gonna say one more thing. So if you're just doing this deal by itself, your $9 coupons come off. Feel free to use 20 in Walgreens cash, and you should still be able to get back your $10 in register reward. All right, guys, so I'm in my way throughout the store. To finish up my first transaction, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 of the game products. They are $9.99. And then on promotion for when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $4 in register rewards. We do have a $2 for the liquid, and then you get, it is the bigger ounces. So this is 88 ounces, and then we also have a different $2 for the pods, and you have to grab, well, I think these are flings. So you gotta grab the bigger ones, and this has like the 31 count. You have $2 for each one of these. All right, so to add to my deal, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of the Burt's Bees. They are $3.49 each. So yeah, I was gonna go ahead and add the Burt's Bees to this transaction. They're not giving back anything, but there is a high value coupon that you can use to build your transaction, $5 off of 2, but I've already used that. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what else I can add to my deal to get me over the $70 mark. I'm currently at $63. All right, yeah, so since I'm not doing the Burt's Bees, I was looking for these coupons. I don't have the digitals clipped, and I left my binder in the car, so I might go back and do a second transaction. But here's what I'm gonna pick up. I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. They are $1.24, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $1 in register rewards. For that, there's no coupons. yeah, my store don't have the easy squeeze either. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a Scott product because I need to get my total over the $70. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Scott toilet paper. They are, you're okay, $3.75. And then I don't have my IVC since I've already used it. So that's gonna take me over the $70 mark. All right guys, so with everything in my cart, my total comes out to $71.46. I'm gonna go ahead and use these register rewards here to lower my out-of-pocket, and I'm gonna use $20 in Walgreens cash. And then here I'm gonna use this paper booster to give me an extra $9. So I'm expecting to get back at least $29 in Walgreens cash back. So after coupons and everything, my total should come out to about $20 plus taxes. I'll show you guys my receipt. I'm gonna see if I have time to do a second transaction. I'll show you guys what I'm picking up. All right, so on the second transaction, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of the Press 3D White. They are $7, and then on promotion for when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $4 in register rewards. And we do have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. All right, so on this second transaction, I'm gonna go ahead and add the Dove. The women's, they are $9.99. And on promotion for when you spend 20, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. We did get $7.50 off of 2, and we also have some fetch rebates. And then along with that, I'm gonna go ahead and add the Degree deodorant. We also have fetch rebates for those as well, and I have a $2 digital coupon on that one there as well. And since these are regularly priced, so you can use a 20% off. So the Dove is regularly priced, and then the Degree is buy one get one half off. I'm trying to make sure that these are on the same promotion, because I'm not sure why the Degree is buy one get one half off and not the Dove, but this is on Axe Dove. So we'll see. Hopefully they are the same transaction or the same promotion. We'll see what I get back. Go ahead and add the Chic Deal to this transaction as well. I picked up one of the men's. They are $6.99, and then you can pick up one of the women's as well as for $6.99. This is the one I'm picking up. We do have $3 digital coupons for each one of them. And then to finish up the deal, I'm adding one of the women's shave cream. They are on sale for $3.49. And then we did get a $1.50 only for you coupon that I got a little while back. I think I'm gonna try to add one of the men's just to make sure that both of my coupons come off, since I'm grabbing 2 different products. So I'm gonna grab this. So this is gonna take me to $20.97. So I'm over my threshold for the spend 20. So I'm gonna add it. All right, so I'm gonna pick up 2 of the Head and Shoulders. They are $6.99 or $7.99 on promotion for when you buy 2. You're gonna get back $4 in register rewards, and we have a $3 digital coupon. I'm still not at $70, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more of the Dawn products. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of the sneakers, the fun size. They are on clearance for 99 cents. And then we do have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, saving me $2 off of these. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the soap now because I had yet to make it to this aisle. So I actually like the blue ones better. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. All right, so my total for everything here come out to $71.87. I'm gonna use 20 in Walgreens cash. And I'm also gonna use another paper booster here as well. So after coupons, I'm gonna be left to pay $25.87. And then of course, I'm gonna take the register rewards that I'm earning from this transaction to roll it onto this one here. And then I'm only gonna get back the $9 for spending 40 and $5 for spending 20 on here as well, as far as Walgreens cash. All right guys, I'm gonna go for a third transaction. So let me show you guys my receipts real quick. All right, so here is the Gain products, the Dawn, the Dove body washes, the Tresemme, the other 2 Tresemme, and the Scott. As you can see, I did not have that $1.25. My point booster, register rewards used. What I'm missing here is the 4 off of 2 of the Tresemme. I'll call customer service for that. So made me pay an extra $4, and then you couldn't see my points, but I did get back $29 in Walgreens cash. I'll put that on the screen so you guys can see. And then I got back $4 for the Gain, $1 for the Tide, and the $4 for the Dove and the Tresemme. And here is the next transaction that I did, the Head and Shoulders, what is that, the Dawn, the Skintimate products, the Crest, the Snickers, the Skintimate, shave gel, and the Edge. And my 150 didn't come off. The Degree, the Dove, used the 20% off coupon. And then used the $10 register rewards, and whatever I got back, I used that. Here are the coupons that came off. Everything came off fine except for the 150. And then I used 20 in Walgreens cash. I feel like I'm missing something here, so I got to go through my folders to see what came off and what didn't. And then I got back the $14 in Walgreens cash, so $9 for the paper booster and $5 for the Skintimate and shave products. I did get back the $5 register reward for the Dove and the Degree. And then what else I got back? $5 for the Crest, as well as $4 for the Head and Shoulder, the $1 for the Dawn. And I'm going to be submitting back to Fetch. I haven't done that, so I'll post on the screen whatever I get back. So on this third transaction, I think this is gonna be like my last trip for this, for me to get my $50. So I'm gonna grab the Cottonelle. They are on sale for $8.99, and then I have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the hair care deal again, grabbing 8 of the Dove for $32.